In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop your Mailchimp subscription in just about 5 minutes. This is a crucial process for anyone looking to manage their expenses or shift their email marketing strategies. So let's dive right into the simplified steps to cancel your Mailchimp subscription, ensuring you can follow along without any hiccups. First off, you need to access your Mailchimp account. So head over to the official Mailchimp website by typing login.mailchimp.com into your browser's address bar. This will take you directly to the Mailchimp login page, a crucial first step in this process. Once you're on the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your username or email. It's important to input the email or username associated with your Mailchimp account. This is your key to unlocking your account, so make sure you're entering the correct details to avoid any unnecessary hiccups. After you've entered your username or email, the next step is to type in your password. Remember, your password is case sensitive, so you'll want to be extra careful to type it in exactly as you set it up. This includes any special characters or numbers that might be part of it. Following the entry of your password, you're ready to click on the Login button. This button is your gateway into your Mailchimp dashboard, where you'll have access to all your campaigns, subscriber lists, and crucially, your account settings. Now that you're logged in, navigate to your accounts plans page by either selecting it directly from the dashboard or typing us15.admin.mailchimp.com into your browser's address bar again, but this time navigate to the plans section. This area of your account will show you your current subscription details and other plan options. Here you'll see an upgrade button. Even though it might seem counterintuitive since you're looking to cancel your subscription, clicking on upgrade will actually take you to where you need to go next. This page displays all the available plans, including the details of your current subscription, which is critical for the next step. At this point, you must make a choice depending on your current plan. For some plans, you'll see options to either buy now for an upgrade or to cancel plan. The cancel plan option will appear if you have already chosen a plan previously. It's a bit of a quirky part of the process, but bear with it. Selecting cancel plan brings up a confirmation pop-up or page where you'll need to confirm your decision to cancel your subscription. This step is Mailchimp's way of making sure you're certain about your decision. It might also offer alternatives or ask for feedback on why you're leaving. It's important to go through these prompts as they are designed to protect your account and ensure you're making an informed decision. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the process to stop your Mailchimp subscription. This sequence of steps is designed to be as simple and as straightforward as possible. However, it's always a good practice to double check your account status after completing these steps to confirm that your subscription has been duly cancelled. In this tutorial, we aimed to make these instructions clear and easy for anyone to follow. Remember, managing your subscriptions effectively is a crucial part of maintaining your business's budget and email marketing strategy. If you decide to reactivate your Mailchimp subscription or choose an alternative service in the future, the process is just as straightforward. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to stop your Mailchimp subscription. Whether you're resizing your marketing efforts or moving in a new direction, understanding how to manage your tools and services efficiently is key. Until next time, keep optimizing your email marketing strategy to best serve your business needs.